Core Tech presents, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6700 XT OC, a high-performance graphics card aimed at gamers who demand smooth 1440p performance, advanced cooling, and overclocking potential. ASUS has combined AMD's powerful RDNA architecture with ROG's premium engineering to create a card that's both stylish and efficient. Position in ASUS and AMD lineup. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6700 XT OC sits in the upper mid-range segment of AMD's lineup, enhanced with ASUS ROG Strix custom features. It's designed for gamers who want more than stock performance without stepping into flagship pricing. This card appeals to enthusiasts who value high refresh rates, stable overclocking, and premium design. Architecture and performance. Powered by AMD's refined RDNA 3 architecture, the 2026 RX 6700 XT OC delivers impressive performance for modern gaming. Improved core efficiency and optimized clock speeds allow for higher sustained performance under load. Whether tackling AAA titles or competitive shooters, the card maintains smooth frame rates and reliable gameplay at 1440p resolutions. Gaming experience. Gamers will appreciate the RX 6700 XT OC's ability to handle modern AAA games at high settings while maintaining smooth performance. Competitive titles benefit from high refresh rates, reducing input lag and improving responsiveness. The overclocked edition pushes frame rates further, giving players an extra edge in fast-paced environments. Cooling and build quality. The ROG Strix edition emphasizes premium cooling with a robust triple-fan design and custom heat sinks. The card remains cool and quiet even under extended load, making it ideal for high-performance builds. A reinforced backplate adds structural integrity while providing a sleek, gamer-centric aesthetic. Overclocking and customization. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6700 XT OC comes pre-overclocked but also supports manual tuning through ASUS software. Users can adjust power limits, fan curves, and clock speeds to extract additional performance safely. RGB lighting is customizable, letting builders match the card to their setup's color scheme. Ray tracing and visual fidelity. Ray tracing performance has improved in this generation, allowing realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in supported titles. Combined with AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR, the RX 6700 XT OC delivers high-quality visuals without sacrificing frame rates, enhancing both immersion and gameplay fluidity. Connectivity and display support. The card supports multiple modern display outputs, including HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.0, enabling high refresh rate 1440p and 4K monitors. Multi-monitor setups and variable refresh rate technologies like FreeSync ensure smooth and tear-free gaming experiences. Power efficiency and reliability. Despite its high performance, the 2026 RX 6700 XT OC remains efficient thanks to RDNA 3 optimizations. Power delivery is stable, and cooling ensures consistent performance over long gaming sessions, making it a reliable choice for both competitive and immersive gaming. Final thoughts. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6700 XT OC is a standout choice for gamers seeking high 1440p performance, premium cooling, and robust overclocking capabilities. With refined architecture, stylish design, and advanced features, it's a powerful and reliable graphics card that satisfies both enthusiasts and serious gamers. For anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience, the RX 6700 XT OC delivers performance, quality, and style in one package.